म्हजें नांव मारियो वाज। म्हाका कोण ना, हांव रेस्टोरंटान कामां आहलो आनी हांव बरो नासलो आनी म्हाका डायबिटीज आहा। डायबिटीन पांय काट केलो म्हगेलो आनी आतां डायबिटीज जालें म्हण दोड्या मार येयला। पांय काट करून पडलो म्हाका वर्क प्रेयरान मागीर बाबलशेन कितें स्ट्रीट प्रोडक्ट्सान हाडलो मागीर तो बरो आहा सद्या।
Yeah, so basically Mario cannot see, in which eye you can't see now?
left, right and this one.
Yeah, so Mario could not see both the eyes. One eye we got him stabilized and yeah, so that one eye we operated. The injections are pretty expensive. It's not cataract. It's something else with his retina, which detachment, and we had collected some 40,000 rupees, which the doctor took about 38,000 rupees for one eye. His second eye now we are trying to fix his second eye. But Mario sometimes cannot control his food, so his diabetes goes up and down, and he's not a small boy. Sometimes how much it went to? Once it went, once I remember it touched 500. So they are trying to make him understand and make him responsible. And Mario now is the manager in this home. He has the phone with him. He has 32 boys or 33 boys with him. He gives instructions to the chef cook. He gives instructions to the caregivers. Although he doesn't have one leg and he cannot see slightly, but his mind is very sharp, and we keep him occupied by giving him responsibility, which he does up to his capacity. We are happy with his performance. Like I said, here we have no alcohol, no cigarette and no tobacco. It's only food, clothing, shelter, bath, medication, recreation and counseling. The doctor comes in, and Mario can read and write, so although he cannot see much, but he has a team where they all come together, they sit together, they decide what happens, and they coordinate with Sapnesh. And I am happy that after 1.5 years or 2 years, Mario has taken responsibility to utilize his time, to utilize his energy, to utilize his ability, in spite of his two setbacks. One is his leg and one is his eye. But like I said, we are just a rehabilitation home where we can keep somebody off the street and look after them. Certain medical part we cannot do beyond our capacity. Once we are trying, once his COVID reduces, whether we can put a false, what do you call it, prosthetic leg for him. See, it's all, his body is such that his diabetes jump up and down, his pressure jumps up and down. So it's going to take time, but he can see in one eye. Yeah, he could not, first you could not see in both eyes. So now we have managed to stabilize one eye. It takes time. It's not that easy because it's not a cataract. It is a detachment which needs, I'm not using the right words maybe, but it's something which is not a cataract. So we treat him at Vigil. Vigil looks at him every month. They call him for checkups every month. We are happy to have Mario with us. He is a big help to us. He is a big blessing to us. We wish him that, you know, if we have managed to put a foot for him, we are trying desperately to stabilize that leg, and we are also trying to see that how best his second eye can be fixed. So